Welcome back, everyone. ArmyVetG here with the cards again. NASCAR Donruss Racing, Panini Donruss. So this is going to be our box break 6. What's today? Friday? Thursday. Yesterday, I got my order in from Dave and Adam's Card World. So I got 10 more of these. But I'm going to keep these breaks separate from those. So everything that I bought from the card shop, I'm going to open first. So there's 12 total. So this is number 6, box break 6. But yeah, let's put this down over here. Yeah, so I had 10 orders of this, and then I got two more of the UFC, the Panini Donruss 2023 UFC ones, and then I got a little blaster box in there as a gift for the USA All Stars and Stripes baseball. But we're gonna open this. We're gonna see what we pull. I'm excited. Hopefully we get something good again. We get a good auto. Another good auto. We already know where the signature is going to be. It's going to be right here, bottom right. That's going to be for last. And then the 2 relics we'll put right here in the middle. And then we'll go with this pack first. Or stack, yeah, go with that stack first. Alright. I'm not gonna separate them as we go. I'll just go through them quick, and then I'll just separate it afterwards. But yeah, let's go through this first pack. Alright, let's see what we get. Hopefully we get something good. Alright, we got Dale Jarrett, Kyle Busch, Race Kings, Eric Almirola, Ryan Blaney, Cole Custer. We got a backwards card. What's this? So we're under the lights, and our red numbered, we got a Takuma Koga. All right. We'll sleeve that up real quick and sleeve and top load. This is red out of 299. Nice. Alright. And then under the lights, we actually, I think we finished this set, but we're gonna sleeve it anyways. Alright. Next pack. There's our code. Put that aside. Who do we got? Who do we got? Greg Biffle, Austin Dillon, Mike Harmon, Matt DiBenedetto, Greg Biffle. We got our first silver right there. And our optic is going to be Cole Custer. Oops. And then Elite Series, William Byron. Yeah, we'll go through all that later. We'll sleeve everything later. Right, well, I guess we can sleeve it right now. We'll just just leave it right now. Forget it. Come on now. There we go. All right, next pack. All right, hope everyone's doing good, you know? All right, let's go. Let's see what we got. Bill Elliott, Takuma Koga, Race King, Alex Bowman, Tyler Reddick. Ooh, we got our first Let's Go, Joey Logano. Heck yeah, let's go. Our first one. That's our first card for that checklist set. Yeah, all right. Joey Logano, let's go. All right. And then we got our silver here. And for our optic, we got Haley Deegan. And our Unleashed card, Ross Chastain. Alright, yeah, we'll sleeve this up too. Next pack. Man, that's cool. We got our first Let's Go. Alright. Alright. Here we go. Ty Gibbs. Kevin Harvick. Kyle Larson. Brittany Zamora. Dale Jarrett. Kyle Busch, silver. And then our optic is Eric Jones. And our power squad, Brad Keselowski. Keselowski. Alright, let's sleeve him up. Power squad. Alright. Yeah, we'll put a sleeve on him too. Just right now. You know, I might even have enough to finish the silver parallel set. Who knows? Who knows? But we're gonna find out. We'll find out sooner or later. Alright, next pack. Next pack. Yeah, we got to get through these boxes before the contest ends. And I redeemed that one Haley Deegan card. Redemption. Alright, Bubba Wallace, Alex Labe, Kyle Busch, Jed Burton, Grant Enfinger, and our silver. And our optic is Arik Almirola, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna fight it. Ooh, we got our numbered Haley Deegan under the lights, 136 out of 199. Let's go. Our first numbered female driver. Come on. For some reason, I don't wanna go. There we go. Alright, let's get a top loader on here. Oh, that's her truck too. Nice. Yeah, this is a Hailie Deegan redemption that I got on her 1990s retro signatures red parallel. That's going to be coming in the mail, but I don't know when, but that's what she drives right there, that monster truck. All right, let's go. All right, we'll sleeve this one up too. All right, next pack. All right, this one must be one of those fake cardboards. The fake cardboard. Yeah, I think so. Here's our code. We'll be entering that in. Yep, there's our fake cardboard. All right, we got Jimmy Johnson, Landon Castle, Chase Briscoe, Richard Petty, retro, Tony Bridinger, retro, and what's this? Our hollow. Let me foil or sleeve this up. Yeah. All right. And oh, we got a green out of 99. The green's not really that dark on this one. It's kind of low. Ricky Stenhouse Jr. It's a number 13 out of 99. 13 out of 99. Alright, let's get this sleeved and top load. We got one more card right here. It's a Metal Masters. Alright, and our Metal Masters, it is a Richard Petty. Oh, I already got this one too. But we're still going to sleeve it. I think I completed the Metal Master set too. Yeah, I think I did. Alright, next pack on, next stacks. We're going to put this one in the back. That might be our memorabilia right there. Right here. You can just tell. You see? Regular. Alright. Let's go. Alright. Jeff Gordon, Daniel Hemrick, Jimmy Johnson Retro, Chase Elliott Race King, Joey Case Retro, and our Optic Race King, Dale Earnhardt Jr. And our Elite Series, Martin Truex. And our blue parallel, Daniel Suarez. Numbered 107 out of 199. Nice. Alright. And let's get a sleeve on this Martin Truex Elite Series. Yeah, I think I finished the Elite Series too. There we go. Alright. Next pack. Alright. Here's our code card. Chase Elliott's car, Chris Buescher, Tanner Gray, Michael McDowell, Garrett Smithley, Tony Stewart, silver, and our optic, Justin Bonsignor, rated rookie. And our Unleashed card, Kyle Busch. Kyle Busch. And let's get this silver guy. Sleeve 2. Alright, next. There's our next code. Put that aside. Alright, we got Jack Wood, Tony Bradinger, yeah, Christopher Bell, I guess, Austin Cindric, Josh Berry, and what we got here? We got our foil hollow, I guess, optic, Darrell Waltrip. Your prism, our optic retro prism, hollow. Yeah, we'll just put that. And our power squad is Tony Stewart, and our red parallel, Jimmy Johnson, 155 out of 299. Leave it. Alright, power squad. Next pack. Alright, we got John Hunter Nimshek, Dale Earnhardt Jr., Joey Logano, Jeff Gordon, Austin Dillon, William Byron Silver. We got a revved up card here, and it's Brad Keselowski. And our optic is Daniel Hemrick. All right. Go, revved up. That's under the lights. Yeah, I already got it down, but we'll put that right here. All right, next pack. Yeah, just be careful not cutting the cards like how I'm doing it. Alright, Danny Hamlin's card, Brett Moffitt, Danny Hamlin, John Hunter, Taylor Gray, silver. I'm just going to go through it. Unleashed. And then we have our Unleashed. Ooh, it's a numbered. And our optic is Tony Stewart. Alright, let's get a sleeve. Yeah, this one is Austin Dillon, numbered 53 out of 199. Alright, let's get a top loader on him. Alright, so this must appear, it's probably going to be our signature, or no, relic. Race Day relic. Do we have a relic? Yes, we do. It is a relic. Yeah, it's a Race Day relic. So we got Martin Truex, Darrell Waltrip, Harry Gant, William Byron. We got our silver. Our Metal Masters. We got a Kevin Harvick. We're gonna put that right there. And our optic is Kyle Busch Retro. And for our race relic is Ricky Stenhouse Jr. Number red parallel 118 out of 250. Yeah, 118 out of 250. Nice. All right, let's get a sleeve on that. Might have to go get some more top loaders just for these relic. Alright, next pack. Ooh, this one seems thin. Let's see what's in here. We don't judge. Sam Mayer, Harry Gant, Austin Dillon, Christopher Bell, Sam Mayer again. Did I? Yeah, I did say him. And then we got a blue parallel retro, numbered 86 out of 199, blue. Get a top loader on her. Or him. My bad. Nah. Yeah, right there. Darrell Waltrip. And our optic is Ricky Stenhouse Jr. And our power squad is Richard Petty. Boom. Let's get a sleeve on him. Alright, Power Squad. Oh, yeah. Alright, next pack. Ooh, that one's foes. Yes. Shh. We'll put these last two on. Alright, let's do this one instead. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Kyle Weatherman, Justin Haley, Kurt Busch, Dale Earnhardt, Brandon Jones, Mark Martin, our silver Jimmy Johnson, and what is that? Oh, Tyler Reddick, Optic. Yeah, Optic Retro. And our Elites series, Ryan Blaney. Next pack. Alright. There's our code. Joey Logano's car, Tony Stewart. Matt DiBenedetto, Ryan Vargas, Eric Jones. Alright. And our retro Itcher numbered red. 219 out of 299. Alright. And our Optic is Darrell Waltrip. That's cool. Number 42, yeah. Alright. And our Unleashed is Austin Centric. Alright, next pack. Next pack, next pack. Yeah, I'm thinking of different names, you know. I don't know. Instead of just ArmyVetG collectibles, I don't know. I'm thinking of a couple. Alright, we got Brandon Jones, Jake Drew, Corey LaJoie, Bill Elliott, Corey LaJoie, Silver, and our Optic Retro Prism, Joey Logano. Let's get a sleeve on him. Alright, and our Elite is Chase Briscoe. Alright, next pack. Might be a fake cardboard. We don't know. We're going to find out. Because we're still looking for 2 more fake cardboards. They have 3 in each box. Yeah, here's our fake cardboard. There's our code. We got Noah Gragson, Mark Martin. Oh, there's 2 cards. And Brad Keselowski, Ray Black Jr., Danny Hamlin, Brad, and then, yeah, that's a silver. And our Optic Prism foil, hollow, or it's not number, but yeah, we'll put a sleeve on that. All right. And under the lights card is Ryan Blaney. Alright, so here's our memorabilia race relic. And we have one more stack of packs to go through. Yep. Yep. There it is. Alright. We got William Byron, Landon Castle, Kyle Larson, Casey Connie, I guess, and our silver race king Richard Petty. Yeah, we'll put him right there. And our optic, Austin Dillon. And our under the lights, Ross Chastain. And for our relic is Austin Dillon Retro. Nice. All right. PC, personal collection. Boom. Alright, I wonder what our signature is going to be. Alright. Let's go. Next pack. Kinda, I can feel my heart racing a little bit. Ray Black Jr., Justin Bonsignor, I'm probably saying it different ways, Kevin Harvick, Jimmy Johnson, Daniel Hemrick. And then for our retro, we got numbered red is Justin Haley, 264 out of 299. And our optic is going to be Jimmy Johnson. And revved up vehicle, Denny Hamlin. Alright, next pack. There's our code. Jeff Gordon base, Jeff Gordon, Riley Herbst, Mike Harmon, Jeremy Clements, Christopher Bell, Bubba Wallace silver, Race King, and then we got a royalty here. Royalty Tony Stewart. We're gonna sleeve him. Oh no. There we go. Our optic is hollow, foil, or prism is Ricky Stenhouse Jr. Alright, next pack. Next pack. I wonder who our signature is going to be, who our auto is. Eric Almirola. Yeah, Ricky Stenhouse Jr., Kyle Busch, Haley Deegan. Oh, here's our signature. A redemption card. We are going to save that. Alright. Thought it was on the bottom, but here's our silver. Our under the lights. It's going to be Denny Hamlin and Kyle Larson optic. And who is our signature? Oh, it's a NASCAR 75th anniversary signatures. Card number 22, Danica Patrick. We got Danica Patrick. Woo! Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go ahead and sleeve it up. Redemption. I guess they're doing redemptions now. Ooh. Can't wait to get this one. Danica Patrick. NASCAR 75th Anniversary Signatures Checklist Set. We finally pulled one. We got one. And it's Danica Patrick. Ooh, oh my god. Alright, let's keep it going. Let's put this right here. Next pack. I guess it wasn't a... Was that the... So this is 3. The third one down. So it was a third pack down. Alright. Nice. Oh my gosh. My hands are like shaking. And oh my god, everything is like... Adrenaline is like rushing right now, pumping. NASCAR, Danica Patrick. Oh my gosh. I wonder if it's gonna be... Hold on. Let's see, let's see. Oh, there's only 5 of them. There's only 5. It can either... It has hollow number to 75 and hollow platinum blue, 1 of 1. Yeah, Danica Patrick, number 22, card number 22. Oh my god, and I got it. It's right there, guys. Man, hopefully, that'll be kind of cool if I get that 1 of 1. That'll be so cool. Alright, let's get through this. Bubba Wallace, Taylor Gray, Eric Jones, Ben Rhodes, Bubba Wallace again. Alright, who do we got here? We got a green parallel. Oh, my phone. Green, Chris Bauer, 18 out of 99. Alright, let's get a sleeve on him. Wow, oh my god, crazy, crazy. Oh my god, I can't believe I got a Danica Patrick. My heart is still pumping. Bubba Wallace optic. And our Elite Series Christopher Bell. Oh my god. Alright. Let's see what we get in this hit. Let's see what's in this. Let's see what's here. Terry Labonte, Tyler Reddick, Myatt Snyder, Brad Keselowski, Darrell Waltrip, and Brandon Jones Silver, parallel. And our optic is William Byron. And our Unleashed card is Denny Hamlin. FedEx Unleashed. Alright, last pack. This has to be something in here. It's got to be a relic or something. Because we just got the signature. Danica, as you guys can see right there. Danica Patrick. Man, I wonder what I'm going to get. Alright. Here's our code. What is this? Oh, it's a fake card. Alright. So I guess I'm seeing, I guess when you get this, it's gonna give, it's, oh, that's our third one. Okay. Okay, I guess, yeah. I guess it's still 3. But Tony Stewart, Ryan Blaney, Clint Fowler, Chase Briscoe, Noah Gragson, and here's our silver, Mike Harmon. Our Under the Lights is going to be, well, actually, we'll go with our Chase Elliott optic right here. And then our Under the Lights is going to be Richard Petty. Nice. Oh my God. Danica Patrick, guys. Danica. Danica Patrick. I'm definitely going to redeem this right away. But, yeah. If you guys enjoyed this box break and rips of the packs and the cards that I pulled, give me a like on the video. It don't cost you a thing, you know. We'll get more of the NASCAR cards out there to the people. You know, all you NASCAR fans and card collectors, we got to get these. We got to share what we got to the other people. So give it a thumbs up. Don't be shy. All right. But like always, stay safe, be safe, and stay collecting. Stay on top. Peace.